Have you ever wanted to learn how to paint your own botanical art piece to hang on your wall? What if you could learn how to mix any color you'd like by understanding color theory and how to paint with acrylics? Hi, I'm Lori George, an acrylic artist with Archer and Olive, and I have created a fresh and exciting art experience that will give you the confidence to explore and create with color. Introducing the UNBOUND Color Course. This fun, engaging e-course is designed to introduce you to painting with acrylic by sharing tips and techniques for enjoying this great medium. Use color theory to create your own color wheel and mix any color you want. Understand the meaning behind colors and how certain color combinations can improve your well-being. Learn how to describe and see differences in colors and how they relate to one another. Gain the skills you need to paint a beautiful and harmonious botanical art piece. And become inspired to continue to create and express yourself using color. This guided e-course includes step-by-step video instruction, an ebook companion guide, supply lists, template downloads, and lots of encouragement to get you started on your journey. Join us for the UNBOUND Color Course and let your creativity bloom.